So we're gonna go ahead and grab these drawers that comes in a set of 3, and they have large, medium, and small. So we're gonna use a spray paint, but before we do that, we're gonna take the first drawer, the large one, and we're gonna place it in there. We're gonna take a candle holder, put some hot glue in the bottom part, and then we're going to attach it to the middle of the drawer. Then after that, I'm gonna put some hot glue on top of it, and we're gonna grab the medium drawer and attach it to the top of the candle holder. Then just go ahead and grab another candle holder and put some hot glue and attach it on top. I did one large candle holder and one small and one medium. Then go ahead and put some hot glue on top and grab the other small drawer and place it on top. Grab your spray paint and spray paint it in gold. Then after you spray paint it in gold, I'm going to take some of these floral foam and I'm just going to go ahead and cut it into like a piece so I could measure like inside, and then I just mark it down like that, and then I'm gonna cut it into half like that. Then I'm gonna place it inside there. So I'm just gonna fill it up with the floral foam. So I'm just gonna continue cutting it until I fill out the whole little box around it. And then after that, I'm gonna grab my flowers and place it inside. But before you do that, make sure, don't do it like I did here, to grab your hot glue and attach it into the box just like that, so it can attach into place. And then you're gonna go ahead and grab your flower and place it all the way around until you fill out the whole thing out. Then you're gonna continue doing that to the second box. Just go ahead and fill it up with the floral foam and flower as well until you do both boxes. Then I'm gonna put some small flower around it as well, just to give it that extra cute look. Then after that, I'm gonna take this square glass, I'm gonna place it on top, grab your candle and place it inside, and then I'm gonna just go ahead and grab my lighter and light it up. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. This is like so elegant, different and unique that you can do for any party decorations, and it will look so great. I think this DIY came out so beautiful, and it can look beautiful in any party decorations, which I did this one with 3 tiers, but you could do it different as well, which I'm going to show you. You could just do it with the flowers and not put the candle. It's up to you how you guys want to do it, or you could also just do a small version with a candle like that, and this is like with 1 tier at the bottom, the large one, or you could also do it with 2 tiers and then the candles on top. I'm giving you a different idea. You guys decide which one is the best that you guys like, or you could also use another glass like that, like the round glass like that, and then just put it on the floor. And then I did 2 of them like that, which I think this one came out so pretty as well. This one you could also use the smaller version. I only had 2 of the glass, that's why I did 2, and then I'm gonna do 3 of them. And as you can see in the middle, you can spray paint the candle holder. You could just leave it as plain. It's up to you how you guys want to do it. I think this DIY came out so pretty, and I hope you guys like it. Please comment down below and let me know what you guys think of this DIY. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly.